enya home faso a year of return. I didn't in America, sir. Number 3. Year of return, ye can't say ye be infitiasi na NDC for say a slogan area. Mokai ukuda tabloka. Or say the MPP for any man say ye better adi anything, but adi no materialize it. Me, year of return, I was in Ghana. Uti, the year of return, I was in Ghana. Me bo show I would trade fair with Afrofest Africa. With other African artists, I buy a be show with trade fair. I was there. I performed on that trade fair show, and I saw the economic impact the year of return #1 brought to Ghana. Uti, the year of return that the NPP government brought did not only bring economic improvement. It also made what? It also allowed the foreigners now afei abob omadwene mu say omo person omo settle to where they believe said they go to no to come back home. Me no ka say Beyonce ne na maame uko East Legon omo be there's this, but people don't even know say that is their property. There's this big nice saloon, new one be no be last time me say come the pictures ni di ne be say samokaya Beyonce maame no mo buy samokai omo ba Ghana no. They saw the possible gains. Say, kuro we you kura, sebe, ye di sika shemwa ebe ye. Intima sem ne say, omofa hairdressers 100 po. Na se busumi biya, omutuyo biya, yamfa ne say 1200, and I say 1000, 2000 to sebe, emboa young girl biya we kusuya hairdressing na ebeboa no. Me. Why we miti me bonus style be a me peko say me mankoto na manya ne hwe me fa hwe nchim me call Ghana na girl be your friend or na my friend say sister Adwoa yeah na oye miti mame na and to be honest with you, this is not even a lie. Oye NDC ni show me ni bibia so oye NDC but no can say oh bra no kure nyame anim mo pa de sa ade we ya papa we de aba ne de aboa yen pa because say mahama time no na me say aden o se o mo sori anopa utie ebetena ho hoping say kanea beba yete wa kanea mba no masan asori konti yenya adwuma enye yesi ebi wo ho a wanya adwuma a wo ye no utie yenya adwuma a wo ye na tabi say be hairdresser bi wanya adwuma a obi ko wedding wo yisiesi ni tiama no o hye dryer mu anafon uni generator e cable yesi white towel nam wakra nam ice nam afri abijan de aba e de abegu fridge mu a wo ye yi na afi na nkrofo betu yesi wo be hu na boom na edum. This was what the lady was telling me. Me a madam for Nana JB wo Ghana sesi a your friend Dimogo wa be hu no I wanna view he also does these things. Our barber shop utie our barber shop. He will tell you, say, barbers will go to work and won't be able to do what? Won't be able to work. They will come home because there was no power. Inti, what the girl rightly was trying to say, say, omo be juma from an upper 6 no, omo nko fie no na yebe bi anajo 1 a.m. and ahomache 1 a.m. Utie, sister Cynthia, girl ne say, Elmumbra adwuma no pasix no wo nko fie no na ye den na ye 2 kura chesa ahomache 1 me drivers ni Uber drivers a me no mo kasa ye na me no mo family ade ka chem se o chale sa ade we mo di aboa ye pa na ko mbetumi ato aso anka ye Ekufuado nsa no adwuma no Ekufuado ne nsa no adwuma no me say the question is still to more. I'm saying me you fool no Jacob Adams. One kwasi your family no. Me bisa mo question say. Mahama Tisono, what was the global event that was hosted in Ghana? Even an African event you hosted in Ghana. Mike Benny at the Bekasa. Ye jina ho me speech ya na kakani ane dundum. You see, you people are not critical thinkers. So they be a meka. They say when you are a fool, you join NDC. I'm telling you. You people are not critical thinkers. Mama Alice, I'm sorry your son is heated this morning, but they are not smart. They are fools. Because at time, no, na kania cry, ye debeye those events. Na ne wo he? where light ben na near the bay. And ka osha no gina stage ya na fine. You gina stage. And anke beti ye dum mahama jene kania. You do baby can say yama mahama I said yama Dumsor yes ya mahama. Mu we a few way ni na. Say energy no enye solid ya. Such a big event wouldn't have selected Ghana. And one thing Ghanaians forget is Auntie Cynthia, before these events take place, no. So what I say, before this event take place, no, almost small mon crop for. So what I say, a momo best scout it. Ebe shisheni ya memu ne Ghana for ni bi ebi kura ba secret serve ebe sheni ya memu ansana womo to whom aba. Inti so womo ye no mu sa de na enye viable a broni onjimi yo. On fa ne ho nko shem. Now, question I'm person bisane say we have South Africa, we have Kenya, we have Tanzania, we have Egypt, we have even Nigeria, even though right now things are not good there. Why did these people choose to do the show in Ghana? Why? Can somebody tell me why? Why didn't they choose to do it anywhere? Other than Africa crew, bibire wo ho nyina no, yen ko choose baby ase ye be sa program no ho. Adentia. Because kwesi according to NDC for no, se opo man a asey e wo wiase a. Utie. Ope oman a asey wo wiase a ene Ghana. Kwesi oba jimifo na di ne sika be kwa sha ade asey mu. Obi anadwene nya adwuma e na odi ne sika ebe kwa akɔhye ade a asey mu me de sa na madwene ye me de because ade a asey de me de sika ekoma akɔbɔ ka ye den enti me bisa sɛ NDC fo sɛ ye nyina ye nte ase sɛ Ghana sɛ yo ye ne omo ya adwene eno nti sɛ kura de ye nhuro president yate mo nhuro no but ensesa ne nnwuma ɔyɛ ensesa the fact say under Nana Akufo-Addo the year of return brought a lot of money and a lot of opportunities to Ghanaians. It will not take the fact to say Nana Akufo-Addo, the beyond the return all the people that came. Isn't it ironic? Wahani who say Vic Mensa aba. You cried the agents one for vacation. Yes, you could president. Chance the rapper was a coach president. Mahama some funny pictures, Mra. Mahama, one of some funny rappers ya. Hollywood for a buy on this new mutual picture. On funny the embassy 1 year. On funny the Mra, Mahama and funny pictures and Mrani. These people were taking pictures, and in my mind, I was thinking, say, Eddie and Kwana Grofo, we beba Ghana. Sana, there is a big thing coming. Look at the amazement. The fact say, number one, Kwesi, Mr. Pedro, number one, the fact say, Africa manya try ye hwehie nina ye befa omanya according to NDC atete apansam say ye beye saade we wo eye ni onyam hye uyo nipa wo do Ghana na wo dwene Ghana ho na nya wo political party ho na wo dwene a their end records no obede nyame ase because question na me bisa ne say ye wo other countries in Africa who I believe NDC will want us to believe said they are doing better than Ghana. Why didn't these people go there? Because Sister Cynthia, I think Sanka Bibi say one and April come here will baby to say South Africa, where be meboa. And I and baby a beer, Quebec say I had a be. Why is Ghana? Why is every investor Ghana? Hey, Dabimpa nane 3 days so said Bruni bi yani share also business for Ghana. We're investing in Ghana or business for Ghana. I know train home pictures near there. I was with somebody when they were showing us that. All I'm here to tell you is that that party NDC does not want